Another one of the AMP cheating allegations in a video. We've seen this a couple of times. Agent is not having it.
You know what he can't do? He can't use his hands outside the box. He's still doing it, bro. All of a sudden, we're enforcing soccer rules.
Shut the f up.
You're crying. That's a goal. You crying right now. I'm just enforcing it. I'm just not loud, whatever.
Oh! Oh!
What does that do?
Nothing.
Kai just got a yellow Uno card. I don't know what the fuck that means, but he's got one of them. Alrighty, there is 1 minute left on the clock.